Pirate Handyman, where we help you become more self-sufficient and save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified every time that a new video drops. So what we're doing today is we've got a buildup of frost in the ice chute, and there's several things that could cause this, but because of where the ice is, we can tell that we've got a problem with the ice chute door. So come on over here, let me show you what's going on. All right, so you can hear that we've got an ice buildup. It's here, and it's also underneath here where the ice comes out. So what's happening is it's not allowing the ice to come out, and it'll build up in here. And if you look down here in the chute, you can see that this door moves around a lot and it's not sealing. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the door and the spring that's in there. So the first thing that we've got to do anytime you're working on an appliance is unplug it. I got the power off, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this mounting plate off. What you do is you just feel under here and you'll feel a space. Just put a screwdriver in there, twist, and hear it pop. And then you just push it up. Now on the back here, you'll see we've got some electrical connections. So what we're going to do is just pull this apart, and you can see there's a little tab there. So you pull the tab up a little bit, wiggle it back and forth, and off it comes. And then we're going to take the catch tray off. Same thing, just get underneath the lip there and pull it out. Then the next thing we're going to do is take these two screws out, right here and right here. Then what we're going to do is just take a piece of duct tape, pull this up and out of the way. Tape it up like this. Next thing we're going to do is take this ice chute right here, and you just spread it a little bit at the top. It comes out, and then there's a little hook right down here, and you just pull up and out. All right, as soon as I pulled on this, you can see that there are a bunch of tabs broken here, and where they're going to go is on this right here. Now you can see the spring and everything on this is fine, so what we're going to do is just pop that back in there. And we can push this up in here. Just have to push in, get it to snap in there. And so now you can feel right there that it's fine. Okay, after several hours and run through the ice cycle a couple of times, let's take a look and see if we've gotten rid of all the ice buildup. Yep, you can see this is all clear, and there's no ice buildup under there. And now let's see if the ice maker actually works. Thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get notified every time a new video drops. Here's to smooth sailing.